NIO is a big name in electric vehicles. Founded in 2014, this innovative company has quickly risen to prominence in the EV market. With a focus on cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices, NIO is setting new standards in the automotive industry. They are known for making high-quality cars that combine luxury with performance. The NIO ET7, for example, offers a seamless blend of comfort and advanced features, making it a top choice for discerning drivers. These vehicles are not only luxurious, but also good for the environment. NIO's commitment to sustainability is evident in their use of renewable energy sources and eco-friendly materials. NIO is always trying to improve its cars and stay ahead of the game. Their team of engineers and designers work tirelessly to innovate and enhance the driving experience. They are one of the most exciting companies in the world of EVs. Their presence at international auto shows and on test tracks showcases their commitment to excellence and innovation. NIO's cars are not just good for the planet, they're also fun to drive. With impressive acceleration and handling, these vehicles offer a thrilling driving experience. They are fast, stylish, and packed with technology. From advanced driver assistance systems to state-of-the-art infotainment, NIO cars are designed to impress. People are starting to notice NIO, and the company is growing quickly. As more consumers recognize the benefits of electric vehicles, NIO's market share continues to expand, making it a key player in the future of transportation. You might not think much about tires, but they are very important. Tires are the unsung heroes of your vehicle, playing a crucial role in your driving experience. They are the only part of the car that touches the road. This means they are responsible for translating the car's power into motion. Tires affect how well a car handles, how smoothly it drives, and how effectively it can stop. The grip and traction provided by the tires are essential for safety. They also influence how far it can go and how safe it is to drive. Properly designed tires can improve fuel efficiency and extend the range of electric vehicles. For electric cars, tires are even more important. The unique demands of EVs require specialized tire designs to handle the increased weight and torque. This is because EVs are heavier than regular cars because of their batteries. The added weight puts more stress on the tires, making durability and performance critical. EVs also need to use less energy to go further on a single charge. Efficient tires can reduce rolling resistance, helping to maximize the vehicle's range. That's why NIO pays a lot of attention to its tires. By investing in advanced tire technology, NIO ensures that their electric vehicles deliver optimal performance, safety, and efficiency. NIO knows that it can't make the best tires on its own. The company understands that tire technology is a specialized field requiring years of expertise and innovation. To achieve the highest standards, NIO collaborates with industry leaders who have a proven track record in tire development. So they work with companies that are experts in tire technology. These partnerships allow NIO to leverage cutting-edge research and development, ensuring that their tires meet the rigorous demands of modern electric vehicles. By working closely with these experts, NIO can focus on what it does best, creating innovative electric cars. NIO collaborates with companies like Pirelli and Continental. These renowned tire manufacturers bring decades of experience and a wealth of knowledge to the table. Their expertise in tire design, materials, and performance characteristics is invaluable to NIO's mission of producing top-tier electric vehicles. These partnerships help NIO make tires that are perfect for its cars. The collaborative efforts result in tires that are specifically engineered to complement the unique features of NIO vehicles, from their weight distribution to their electric powertrains. This ensures optimal performance and safety. The tires offer superior grip so the car sticks to the road. This enhanced grip is crucial for maintaining control, especially during sharp turns and in adverse weather conditions. It provides drivers with confidence and peace of mind, knowing that their vehicle will respond precisely to their inputs. They also have low rolling resistance, which helps the car go further on a charge. Low rolling resistance is a key factor in improving the efficiency of electric vehicles, as it reduces the energy required to keep the car moving. This means longer driving ranges and fewer stops for recharging, and they are very durable, so you don't have to replace them as often. Durability is essential for reducing the overall cost of ownership and minimizing environmental impact. With these high-quality tires, NIO drivers can enjoy a smoother, more reliable driving experience for many miles to come. Section 4. Safety first. NIO's commitment to secure driving. NIO cares about safety. Their tires reflect this commitment. Some NIO cars have self-sealing tires. These tires can fix small punctures on their own. This means you're less likely to get a flat tire. NIO also uses run-flat technology in some of its cars. Run-flat tires let you keep driving for a short distance, even if the tire loses air. This gives you time to safely pull over and get help. Section 5. A sustainable future. NIO's vision for EVs. NIO wants to make transportation more sustainable. They believe that electric cars are the future. NIO's tire technology is a big part of this vision. By making EVs more efficient and safer, NIO is making them more appealing to drivers, and that's good news for the planet. NIO is leading the way towards a cleaner, greener future.